Hello friends, today we will see there are some nonlinear equations that can be linearized. We have seen the methods of solutions of linear equations, right? We have seen the methods of solutions of linear equations. What is meant by linear equations? If yt and their differences yt plus 1, yt plus 2 and so on occurs in first degree only. If such things happen, then we know that they are called linear equation, otherwise they are called non-linear equation. Okay, so the general non-linear equation is of this type: yt plus n equal to f of t yt plus n minus 1. That is what? It is a function of t and yt plus 1 up to yt plus n minus 1. That means, suppose second order non-linear difference equation is of this type: yt plus 2 equal to function of t, yt and yt plus 1. What is meant by this? That means yt plus 2 equal to, that can be written as yt into yt plus 1 plus y square t plus t, etc. That means what? Here non-linearity occurs because separate is not separate, yt and yt plus 1 with one index is not there. So the degree of this term is 2, we know that, isn't it? X into y, if there are two variables, then degree of this term is what? 2. Degree is 2 there. Okay, we know this. So y square t, degree of this term is 2 again, and we don't care about this t. So if such things happen, if such equations arises, then such types of equations are called nonlinear equations. So in general, this is the nth order nonlinear difference equation. Maybe with constant coefficient, maybe with variable coefficient. We don't know what are these. They may be with constant coefficient, they may be with variable coefficients. There, but now note that it is very difficult to solve all nonlinear equations. So hardest part in the examples, whether it is in differential equation, whether it is in difference equation, it is the hardest part is to solve the nonlinear equation. But there are some nonlinear equations which can be solved, And the, the one type of nonlinear equation which can be solved is Riccati equation. This is actually given equation is nonlinear equation, but it can be transferred or transferred to linear equation, or we can say that it can be linearized by using something substitution method, that is change of variable method. So such type of equations can be solved. They are in nonlinear form but can be converted into linear form, and we know the method of solving linear difference equation, whether they are with constant coefficients or whether with variable coefficients. Okay, that is the thing there. So the most type of this equation is the Riccati equation. The equation is of the form yt plus 1 into yt plus pt yt plus 1 plus qt yt equal plus rt equal to 0 is called Riccati equation. Now you may think whether nonlinearity occurs. So here is the nonlinearity, because two terms in product and the degree of this is 2, because the degree of yt plus 1 is 1 and degree of yt is 1. They are in product, therefore degree of whole term is 2, and hence this whole equation is nonlinear. Here degree of this term is only 1. Here also degree of this term is only 1. We don't want the function of t, that may be anything, that is r of t or q of t or p of t. Dependent variable is what? Yt is here. Okay, so only if the degree of yt, these are the variable coefficients of yt plus 1 and so on. Here also the coefficient is 1, but non-linearity occurs here. right? If such functions, such equations, such problems occurs, then they are called the Riccati equation, right? This is the special type of nonlinear equation which is called Riccati equation. A special type of nonlinear equation is called a Riccati equation. Now this nonlinear equation can be converted to linear equation by using some substitutions. Okay, so this is called non-Riccati equation, that is equation of the form y of t plus 1 into yt plus pt into y of t plus 1 plus q of t yt plus r of t equal to 0, where pt, qt, rt are any functions of t. They may be constant, they may be variables, okay, and these yt plus 1 and yt, these are our entries. T is your argument here, okay. It's called Riccati equation. Now to convert this equation into linear equation, we have to use this term. Let yt equal to zt plus 1 upon zt minus pt, means you are converting this dependent variable yt into other dependent variable zt. And how you are using substitution? Yt equal to zt plus 1 upon zt minus pt in above equation. Okay, now that equation, actually yt plus 1 into yt plus pt into yt plus 1 plus qt yt plus rt can be written as, take yt plus 1 common from this, and what we obtain? We obtain yt plus pt in bracket. So this given equation first of all can be written in the form of yt plus 1 into yt plus pt plus qt yt plus rt. Is it right? So forget about this for a while. So here yt plus 1 plus into bracket y, because this becomes yt plus 1 yt plus yt plus 1 pt plus qt yt plus rt, which is this one, yt plus 1 yt plus pt yt plus 1 plus qt yt plus rt. So that can be written as, taking yt plus 1 common from these two, we get yt plus pt. Now use yt equal to zt plus 1 upon zt minus pt, that is yt plus pt can be replaced by zt plus 1 upon zt. So this yt plus pt can be replaced by zt plus 1 upon zt. Now yt plus 1 will be now becomes, what is the change only? Replace t replaced by t plus 1, so it becomes z of t plus 2, right? T is replaced by t plus 1 upon z of t plus 1 minus p of t plus 1. Here it is p of t plus 1, right? Z of t plus 2 upon z of t plus 1 minus p of t plus 1 into bracket zt plus 1 upon zt plus qt into, again yt is what? Z of t plus 1 upon zt minus pt plus rt equal to 0. Okay, that is the case there. Now what will happen with this cross multiplication? This becomes z of t plus 2 minus p of t plus 1 into z of t plus 1 whole divided by z of t plus 1 into z of t plus 1 upon zt. Now this z of t plus 1 cancels with that, because this bracket is here like this, z of t plus 2 minus p of t plus 1 into z of t plus 1 whole divided by z of t plus 1, this bracket, and now this product with zt plus 1 upon zt. Now this zt plus 1 cancels with zt plus 1, and we get z of t plus 2 minus z of t plus 1 into p of t plus 1 upon zt plus q of t into, again you solve this bracket, zt plus 1 into 1, that is z of t plus 1 minus pt into zt whole divided by zt plus r of t equal to 0. Okay, now what will happen? That is, multiplying both sides by zt, what you will get? Zt plus 2 minus zt plus 1 into pt plus 1 plus qt into zt plus 1 minus zt into pt, or qt into zt plus 1 minus qt into zt into pt, right? And plus RT into ZT equal to 0, multiplying both sides of the equation by Z of t. Now, this gives us Z of t plus 1 as it is. Now, take the ZT plus 1 as common from these two. We obtain Qt minus ZT, Qt minus Pt plus 1 into Z of t plus 1, and plus take ZT common from these two. We obtain RT minus Qt Pt, RT minus Pt Qt into ZT equal to 0. Now what about this? Now Z of t plus 1 and Z of t plus 2 with variable coefficients, and the degree of every this dependent variable, that is function in Z, function in t, whose dependent variable is Z. Now linearity occurs here. So this is the second order linear difference equation, and we have many methods to solve such types of equations. We have many methods to solve such types of equations. Okay, now we will take an example which can be solved or which can be transferred to linear, and then it can be solved. So first of all, this is the example: y of t plus 1 into yt plus 2yt plus 1 plus 4yt plus 9 equal to 0. That means here this is your pt, pt is 2, qt, qt is 4, and rt, rt is 9. Here the pt, qt, rt are some functions. Now the nonlinearity of this type occurs here: y of t plus 1 into yt. If such equations are there, they are called Riccati equation. And how to solve them? By using which substitution? Yt equal to zt plus 1 upon zt minus pt. What is pt here? Pt is 2. So we have to use this substitution. The given equation can be written as yt plus 1 into yt plus 2 plus 4yt plus 9 equal to 0. Now we will use yt equal to zt plus 1 upon zt minus 2. This substitution. Okay. So using this, your yt plus 2 becomes only zt plus 1 upon zt. So in place of yt plus 1, what can be written there? That is, this equation is arising. This zt plus 1, zt plus 2. So zt plus 2 is there. Okay, we'll solve it. Which equation is there? Yt plus 1 into yt plus 2, yt plus 1 into bracket yt plus 2 plus 4yt plus 9. 4yt plus 9 equal to 0. What to put here? Yt equal to zt plus 1 upon zt minus 2. That is yt plus 2 equal to zt plus 1 upon zt. Right? Now, if I put here, what will be yt plus 1 becomes? Yt plus 1 gives us zt plus 2 upon zt plus 1 minus 2 in one bracket, and in second bracket, what is yt plus 2? It is zt plus 1 upon zt, right? Plus 4 times of yt, zt plus 1 upon zt minus 2, right? Plus 9 equal to 0. Now what will happen here? Taking multiplication, zt plus 2 minus 2 into z of t plus 1 upon z of t plus 1 into z of t plus 1 upon zt plus 4 into, this is z of t plus 1 minus 2z of t divided by z of t plus 9 equal to 0. Now, what will happen? This z of t plus 1 cancels with z of t plus 1. Denominator is zt. Multiplying both sides by zt, we directly obtain z of t plus 2 minus 2 into z of t plus 1, right? Plus 4 into z of t plus 1 minus 8 into z of t and plus 9 into z of t. Multiplying both sides by zt. So this will give us zt plus 2, right? Now collect the terms of zt plus 1 plus. Now here 4zt plus 1 minus 2zt plus 1. We will get 2z of t plus 1 minus 8zt plus 9zt. We get plus 1 or only zt equal to 0. Zt plus 2 plus 2zt plus 1 plus zt equal to 0. Zt plus 2 plus 2zt plus 1 plus zt equal to 0. We know that. How you can solve this? How we can solve this? We know that this is the second order equation. So this is e square plus 2e plus 1 operating on zt equal to 0. This is e plus 1 whole square operating on zt equal to 0. And we know that how to solve it. So e is repeated, minus 1. Minus 1 is the root of this one. So minus 1 to the power t is the first solution and t into minus 1 to the power t is the second solution. Therefore zt, general solution, can be written as c1 minus 1 to the power t plus c2 t into minus 1 to the power t is your zt. Is your zt, right? c1 minus 1 to the power t plus c2 t into minus 1 to the power t is the zt, and therefore yt becomes. Now what is yt? Yt is zt plus 1 upon zt minus pt. So what is zt plus 1? c1, replace this by t plus 1. c1 minus 1 to the power t plus 1 plus c2 t plus 1 minus 1 to the power t plus 1 divided by c1 into minus 1 to the power t plus c2t into minus 1 to the power t minus 2, because pt is 2 there. This will give us minus 1 to the power t can be taken outside, and you will get, what you will get? Minus c1, right? What minus 1 to the power t means what? This is minus 1 to the power t into minus 1 to the power 1, which is minus, therefore it is minus c1. Here also, if I take minus 1 to the power t common, we get minus c2 into t plus 1 divided by minus 1 to the power t c1 plus c2t minus 2. Minus 1 to the power t cancels with minus. We get minus c1 minus c2 into t plus 1 minus 2c1 minus 2c2t, right? Divided by c1 plus c2t. That can be written as, now collect the terms of minus c1 minus 2c1, that is minus 3c1, minus t plus 1 c2 and minus 2 t c2, therefore that becomes minus c2, take common, we get t plus 1 plus t, that is 2t plus t. 1 minute, sorry, here it is 2t plus t is 3t, 3t plus 1 divided by c1 plus c2t. As c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants, you can divide this by c2 upon c1. I will take this as dividing whole by c1, numerator as well as denominator. So we get minus 3 minus c2 upon c1 into 3t plus 1 divided by c1 upon c1 is 1 plus c2 upon c1 is t. So that can be written as, this is like this, minus 3 minus c2 upon c1 into 3t plus 1 divided by 1 plus c2 upon c1 into t. As c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant, you can consider this as one constant, c2 upon c1. So you get one constant, and therefore it becomes minus 3 minus c into 3t plus 1 upon 1 plus ct, where c is any arbitrary constant, and this is the required solution. Now, why two arbitrary constants are converted into one? Because your given equation is of first order. No doubt this is non-linear but first order. Why two arbitrary constants occurs? Because your this first order equation is transferred or converted into second order equation. That's why for this variable two arbitrary constants are there, but we want only one arbitrary constant because our original equation is of first order, and therefore we have converted these C1 and C2 in this way first order. That is one arbitrary constant. So this is the method to obtain the solution of such types of equation, that is Riccati equation can be converted into, which can be converted into linear equations. This is one more example which is solved here, right? That is yt plus 1 into yt plus 2yt plus 1 plus 7yt plus 20 equal to 0. Here pt is equal to 2, qt equal to 7, rt equal to 20. Using yt plus 1 equal, yt is equal to zt plus 1 upon zt minus 2. We obtain this is zt plus 2 plus qt minus pt, that is 5zt plus 1 plus, here it is something rt. What should be the coefficient here? Yes, the coefficient here should be rt minus pt into qt. rt minus qt minus pt plus 1, and here rt minus pt into qt. rt minus 20 minus 7 into 4. 20 minus 7 into 4 means 20 minus 14. 20 minus 7 into 2, that is 14. Therefore, you get 16. And qt minus pt plus 1, as pt is 2, pt plus 1 is also 2. So this minus this we get. This is the second order. Now linear equation with constant coefficient. That can be written as e square plus 5e plus 6 operating on zt equal to 0. So this can be written as e plus 2 into e plus 3 operating on zt equal to 0. Actually this is the mistake now. Okay, e plus 2 into e plus 3 is there. 1 minute. What about here? Plus or minus qt minus pt plus 1 or what? Yes, qt minus pt plus 1. So qt is 7. 7 minus. Okay. I think these are some. Here. Actually, this is now minus 2 to the power t and minus 3 to the power t, because the roots are minus 2 minus 3, not plus 2 plus 3. If this is minus there, then it will be true, but here it is plus. Therefore, roots are minus 2 to the power t, c2 minus 3 to the power t. So let us clear this. Now, which can be written as yt equal to minus 2 to the power t plus 1. That means this becomes minus c1 into minus 2 to the power t. T is replaced by t plus 1. Minus 2 to the power 1 into minus 2 to the power t. And then it is minus c2 3 into minus 3 to the power t. 3 into minus 3 to the power t minus 2. Now this will give us minus 2c1 minus 2 to the power t minus 3c2 minus 3 to the power t minus 2c1 minus 2 to the power 2 c1 into minus 2 to the power t plus c2 into minus 3 to the power t. So here we get minus 2c1 into minus 2 to the power t minus 2c2 into minus 3 to the power t divided by c1 into minus 2 to the power t plus c2 into minus 3 to the power t. Okay, that is the case. Now, which is nothing but now minus 2c1 minus 2 to the power t minus 2c1 minus 2 to the power t. Okay, that becomes, this is I think wrong, minus 2c1 minus 2 to the power t, minus 2c1 minus 2 to the power t, it becomes minus 4c1 minus 2 to the power t, minus 3c2 minus 3 to the power t, minus 2c2 minus 3 to the power t, minus 5c2 minus 3 to the power t, whole divided by c1 into minus 2 to the power t plus c2 into minus 3 to the power t. Actually this is there, which is equal to, now dividing numerator and denominator by c1, we get minus 4 minus 2 to the power t minus 5c minus 3 to the power t divided by minus 2 to the power t plus c minus 3 to the power t, where c is equal to c2 upon c1, where c equal to c2 upon c1. This is the required solution. You correct it, please. This is the required solution. Minus 4 times minus 2 to the power t minus 5 times c into minus 3 to the power t divided by minus 2 to the power t plus c into minus 3 to the power t. This is the required solution. Okay, this is the required solution. Otherwise, you can also divide this by minus 2 to the power t also. That can be written as minus 4 minus 5c into 3 by 2 to the power t, right, divided by 1 plus, this can also be written as minus 4 minus 5c 3 by 2 to the power t divided by, because minus 3 upon minus 2, same, divided by 1 plus c into 3 by 2 to the power t, whatever it may be. Either you can write by this method or by this method. Both are same. Okay. So this is something wrong. Okay. Right. Mistake is there in this. Please correct this example. Okay. Right. Now this is also same type of equation. Yt plus 1 into yt minus 2yt plus 2 equal to 0. Here pt is 0, qt is minus 2 and rt is plus 2. So by taking again same substitution, you will get such types of equations there. Okay. So equation you will get of this type. Zt plus 2 minus 2zt plus 1 plus 2zt equal to 0. And this is the second order equation whose the characteristic equation of this type e square minus 2e plus 2 operating on zt. But using factorization method, the roots are not very easy. So e is equal to, our root becomes minus minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of b square 4 minus 4ac, that is 8 divided by 2. So my 2 plus or minus 4 minus 8 is minus 4, means it is 2i divided by 2. That is, it becomes 1 plus or minus I. So your a is 1, b is 1. So tan theta is b by a, that is pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So you will get cos pi by 40. What about r? R is square root of 1 plus 1, that is square root of 2. That is square root of 2 to the power t is there. And so zt is of this type. Again, you put the value of zt in yt, you will get the required solution. Okay, that is the case. For the following recurrent equation, write your answers in terms of only arbitrary constants. Okay. So yt plus 1, yt plus 7 yt plus 1 plus yt plus 15 equal to 0. Here pt, qt, rt. Pt is your 7, qt is your 1, rt is your 15. You use this substitution, you will get equation of this type. Zt plus 2, right? Minus 6 zt plus 1 plus 8 zt equal to 0. So again, its a characteristic equation is e square minus 6e plus 8 operating on zt equal to 0. Factor 8 in such a way that their addition is 6 minus 6. So e minus 2 into e minus 4. 4 and 2 6. 4 2s are 8. Yes, operating on ZT equal to 0. Again here we have made mistake. Actually this should be 2 to the power t and 4 to the power t. Okay, because 2 and 4, these are the two roots there. So 2 to the power t, 4 to the power t. It is also 4 to the power t. So this becomes 4. 2 to the power t, 4 to the power t. 2c1 2 to the power t plus 4c2 4 to the power t minus 4c1 2 to the power t minus 4c2 4 to the power t. Okay, this is also 4 to the power t. So what it becomes? 2c1 2 to the power t minus 7c1 2 to the power t. It is correct. Minus 5c1 2 to the power t plus 4c2 4 to the power t minus 7c2 4 to the power t. It becomes minus 3c2 4 to the power t divided by c1 2 to the power t plus c2 4 to the power t. Okay, and that can be written as c1 c2 upon c1 or c1 upon c1, dividing numerator and denominator by c1, you will get minus 5 2 to the power t minus 3 c 4 to the power t divided by 2 to the power t plus c 4 to the power t, where c is any arbitrary constant. So this is the method to solve the equations which can be converted into linear equations. Equations which can be converted into linear equation. So this is the method by which you can solve the Riccati equation. So for today we will stop here, and this is the end of second unit also.